5 benefits of the Santa Fe Compact 70 Dehumidifier. NewJerseyMold.com has chosen today to discuss 5 benefits about its favorite dehumidifier, Santa Fe Compact 70. The Santa Fe Compact 70 is available The 5 benefits include such nuggets as: perfectly sized for most basement and crawl spaces, efficient water removal, removes up to 70 pints of water. NewJerseyMold.com got its start when its vice president/technical director, David Kerner, noticed a growing need for dehumidification in his pest co. The Santa Fe Compact 70 fit the bill and was the answer for most crawl space and basement dehumidification needs. Contact us at NewJerseyMold@gmail.com.